welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Patty again. And I'm basically doing that too. And today we're making chicken pie. So first you take out this and then also. And use the knife and follow the shape. Sure you save dough. Okay, and then you take your on and put it. Okay, and I forgot to tell that you need half pastry. You just can buy it anywhere. I don't know. And then you need to put this and put it on the tray. Just like this, at least one scoop. Okay guys, it will look like this later. I'll show you. You take a fork and poke a bit so that it can cook and put it wash. I mean, if you don't have it, it's fine. But actually, just for Malaysians, it's easy to just use normal egg and beat it. And then later you put a bit on the top. You don't really have to do it. Then I finished it washing. Just like that. Now put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. So the pie is finished baking. So now Chef Teddy's here. Hello! There. And here, and then here's the pies. Look at it, so yummy and golden brown. Ooh. You guys feel hungry? Looks yummy, right? So, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and press the notification bell. And I hope you like this video again. Bye!
I'ma come back like a boomerang.